Students, teens and young adults, welcome to the Future Toolbox. This is the place where we can help support you achieve your study, personal and future goals. The Student Toolbox is split into four main areas: study, motivation, resilience and futures.
Smarten your study, of course, is for those who are studying, whether it's GCSEs, A-levels or even degrees. We show ways to make revision and study easy and fun. Yeah, that's right, easy and fun. Just follow our simple steps and we guarantee this will happen.
Mastering your motivation is all about creating growth mindsets and practicing positive daily habits. By understanding the secrets to goal setting will help you turn your dreams into realities.
Today's world is fast moving and stressful. That's where Raise Your Resilience helps you to focus on and practice self-care. This will raise self-esteem, boost self-confidence and help you feel more in control.
Focus on your future is about taking your next steps in your journey, whether it's in education, apprenticeships or even getting a job. We help you to build your brand whilst exploring various options. Ultimately, we'll show you ways to get a positive decision from a decision maker.
Check out our free resources on the website and don't forget to subscribe to our regular newsletters. Keep an eye out as well for the dates of our webinars. Finally, why not visit our shop and purchase one of our life-changing online programs or read our inspirational books? We look forward to helping you on your journey.